If you call a law firm and you're considering hiring them for a personal injury case, they typically will take that call and give it to an intake person. And then that intake person will get the information from you, discuss it with the lawyers, and they will decide whether they have an interest in your case. If that intake person treats you like you're just another file, if they're not considerate, if they don't listen, if they don't have empathy, then that might be a red flag. Again, the intake person is the first person you talk to after the receptionist. And the intake person should be somebody who's trained to get key information so they can talk to the lawyers. Some law firms pick an intake person, they look at it as a low-level, low-pay position. But that's wrong. That first call that you make is critically important. Timing is critically important. Getting key information from you is critically important. That's why at our law firm, Craig, Kelley, and Faultless, we have somebody, a person with a psychology degree, who talks to you initially. And if we have an interest in the case, then they will transfer you to the social worker, and the social worker will gather information, and the attorneys are involved in that process. So if you're calling and you're getting interviewed and the person's not listening, if you're having to repeat the same things over and over again, if they don't seem like they care or it's not urgent, if you don't feel confident in the person who you're talking with, then that might be a red flag.